We're in the kitchen cooking some lemon butter baked chicken thighs. Got a half of a lemon. Go ahead and squeeze that over some clean chicken thighs. Make sure you got that oven preheating at 365 degrees. Get them seeds out if you can. If not, no worries. Got onion powder. Pour as much or a little as you want. Some garlic powder. Some smoked paprika. Some black pepper. And some Italian seasoning. Now we're going to repeat this process. Flip that chicken over and do the same thing. Now I'm also squeezing the rest of that lemon over the top of the chicken. We'll place this in the baking dish. And we're going to get some zest from this lemon. Going to get as much as we can off without getting all down to that white part. You see that zest right there? Look at that zest. People pay for that zest. Going to sprinkle that zest over the top of the chicken. Get that nice and coated over there. We're using this whole stick of butter. Yes, the butter is unsalted. We're using the whole stick of the butter. Now I'm placing the butter on top of the chicken. Lemon butter chicken. Place that in the oven, 365 degrees for an hour. 55 minutes later, look at it. We're going to go ahead and baste it now. We almost done. We just going to baste it. Take the remainder of that liquid out. Put it back in the oven on broil for 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure you watch it. Lemon, butter, chicken. Lemon butter chicken thighs in the oven. 1 hour and 5 minutes. That's all it took. Subscribe if you like what you see.